Greetings everyone and welcome to this new series on the one sample t-test. The one sample t-test can be used when, as the name suggests, you have studied only one sample. As we have seen in previous videos, we have used t-tests to prove or disprove hypotheses while comparing two groups. So how do we apply a t-test when we only have one sample group? In such a case, we can compare our sample's unknown mean with a previously known mean, such as from a previous study, or even hypothesized mean value. The other nuances are quite similar as when applying t-tests as shown in previous videos. The independent variable should be categorical and dependent variable should be continuous. In this data set, we have weights in pounds of 16 participants before and after an 8-week period of excessive calorie intake of approximately 1000 calories per day. Theoretically, if we calculate, 3500 extra calories are needed for a person to gain approximately 1 pound of weight. Therefore, we expect each of these participants to gain 16 pounds of weight in this 8-week period after doing the math. Weights of each of these participants measured before and after are displayed in these two columns, and the difference is displayed in this column. Now we are ready to formulate our hypothesis that an excess calorie intake of 1000 calories per day for 8 weeks will result in 16 pounds increase in weight. We will first obtain some descriptive statistics just to get an idea of how our data is distributed using the mean and standard deviation. We can also select the median and range options for better knowledge of how our data is distributed. Now we can proceed to perform the one sample t-test. To do that, just select the t-test option right here and select the one sample t-test option under classical statistics option. Now the interface is quite similar to that of the independent sample and the paired sample t-test. However, there are some differences which you might have noticed. Now to do this test, just select this ordinal variable option of the difference in weight and put it into the variables box. Now this gives us only one mean of our unknown sample and our unknown sample mean. However, we know and have hypothesized the mean difference in weight of the participants increased to be 16 pounds. So we will enter that mean value right here into this test value box. And you can see that the software automatically updated and has shown the statistics right here in this table. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.